Okay, how are you doing today? We're ready for another spelling lesson. So our first day that we talked about spelling, we talked about our heart words that we were going to have this week. Then we talked about sounding out and spelling words with short vowels in them. And now today we are going to talk about the CK spelling rule. So this is a rule that we learned a couple weeks ago in phonics. And we talked about if there is a vowel, does the K make the K sound or does the C? And we used the example of cat and kittens. And there's a little rhyme that goes with it. K takes I and E, C takes the other three. Say that with me. K takes I and E, C takes the other three. So with that little rule that we can follow, we know that kittens, since it has an I, uses a K, and cat, since it has an A, uses a C. And so it's kind of easy to remember if you think about A, O, and U all have curves in them, and the letter C has a curve. I and E are straight letters, just like K is a straight letter. So that kind of should help you with how you spell your words. So let me give you some words that have a K or a C, and let's have you write them down, and then I'm going to let you know if you got it correct or not. If you didn't get it correct, you need to fix it. So the first word that I want you to spell is cam. Cam. Now cam has a because it says a, so you should spell that with a C. So hopefully you spelled it C-A-M and you marked your A with an X since it's the vowel. Okay, the next word I want you to spell is Ken. Ken. Okay, hopefully you spelled Ken with the K because it has the S sound in Ken. So because as the S sound, it's spelled with the E, so it's K-E-N. And mark your E for your vowel. Okay, your next word is cab. Cab. Okay, cab has a sound in it, which means you're spelling it with an A. So you should have spelled that one with a C. It should be C-A-B, and you should have marked your A with an X. Your next word is caught. Caught. Okay, hopefully you spelled that C-O-T because the O is curved, so it needs a C, and you should have marked the O with an X. Okay, your last word I want you to practice writing down is Kim. Kim. Kim has the I sound in it, which is an I. So you should have spelled it with a K. So it should have been K-I-M, and you should have marked the I with a vowel. Okay, let's practice our heart words because those seem to be the trickiest on our spelling test. So your heart words this week are from, with the heart of the O. Write that down on your paper with a heart around the O. Your next heart word is what, with a heart around the A because it doesn't say at in the word ut. What, I mean. So you want a heart around the A. Your next word is were, and you're going to heart either the ER or the ERE because it has an E at the end. That first E should say E. So were doesn't say E, it says so it's a rule breaker or a irregular word. It doesn't match the phonic sounds. Remember, if I'm going too fast, just click pause. Our next word is one. And since this doesn't say or doesn't have the O sound, own, since it says wa instead of O, the heart's around the O. And our last heart word is word. The OR should say or, but it says so we heart around the OR. Remember, you don't have to write the sound it makes above. If you want to, that's fine. But you do need the heart around the part of the word that doesn't have the right sound. So today you should have 6 or 5 letters with C and K, and then 5 heart words. Make sure your vowels are marked and make sure your hearts are marked. Good luck.